back at it again with those phone videos. Hello crafties, happy Saturday, happy holidays, and happy 1st of December. Where did the year go? My name is Infiniti, and if you don't know already, I am the face behind the videos on YouTube. I do crochet tutorials as well as design patterns and things of that nature. Today I am here to give you guys yet another update. I know I have been giving you guys more updates than normal, and with good reason. If you missed this video, I will be posting the basic rundown, dialogue, whatever on the coffee page under the posts. So be sure to head over there and check that out if you don't have time to just listen to me drone on. So first off, today I want to give a huge shout out to Sweet Softies over on YouTube. She makes amigurumi and she makes such awesome and adorable little stuffed toys, and her channel is so amazing. She gave me a lot of good advice and encouragement, so I just wanted to give her a shout out for that today. Thank you so much. So second of all, after several months of contemplation and an additional little push, I decided to start a YouTube page, a Facebook page. As you may know, if you've looked through my card, I manage all of my social media myself, so I'm kind of juggling a lot, and this has been something I've kind of wanted to do for a while but wasn't sure how I was going to go about it. So today I just decided to dive on in with everything else, and I have started to add content to the page. So far I mainly have my icon and my header up. It's pretty bold, but if you want to support that, go on over, head on over, to kind of give you a clue on what would be posted there. Just basically stuff that's not been posted on the YouTube page or on my other social media. Just like some things with the IGTV thing, they're not in the YouTube videos, etc. I know I've been a little lacking on that as well, but I'm also working on that. Keep in mind that not only have I updated my card page, which if you don't know what card is, it's a similar platform to like Linktree, and it's all my social media, all my referral like kind of links, contact info on a single page that's easy to access. It's linked in my bio on Instagram. It is linked in my descriptions automatically on YouTube, and I swear it's somewhere else, but I can't remember where else I put it. Kind of everywhere. So I've done that. I've also updated my business cards to reflect those changes. So now they're gonna have the little Facebook thing on the back of it. Wow, okay, my lights are bright for a change. So yeah, now instead of having just these four, I have a fifth one. So that's cool, and it is called the Infiniti Crafting page. You can put an @ in the search bar, Infiniti Crafting. Very easy to find, kind of getting everything similar to one another so that it's easy to find. So yeah, I don't know if I said this already, but some of you may know that I print and I design my own business cards and flyers. I don't know if any of you have seen them like lying around or whatever, but that is super fun to do. I have been busting my butt with that. That is interesting. I have always hated Photoshop, but now I'm getting the kind of hang of it. It's been interesting. So yeah, there's that. And then last but still least, I do have an extra tidbit, but I won't be putting it in this segment. You will have to go over to the YouTube channel to see that segment. A lot of editing. So a commonly asked question for me is, oh my god, is that a QR code on your business card? Oh my god, is that a QR code on your flyer? The answer is yes. Yes, it is. And then the second most asked question would be, do they work? Yes, they work. So I found that was just a quicker way to get people to, or direct people more so to the channel. They get to check that out, and then of course all my other social media is linked to the channel as well, so everything is kind of central access and easy to find. I guess I'll show you guys my flyer, and it actually shows up a lot easier than the card. That's okay. So yeah, I put a lot of time and effort into those. I try to get them to look as professional as possible. I want people to pay attention to them. That's basically how that goes. But that brings me to the end of this chat. Like I said, for the little extra tidbit, you're gonna have to go to the YouTube channel. But until next time, happy making.
Alright guys, as promised, this is now the super secret, uber special segment. But before I get started, I wanted to say while I was editing this video and Premiere was rendering it, I gained a couple more followers. So now I'm up to 15, and I just want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to my channel and viewing my content. It means so much for the support. So, what this segment is about, what I'm showing you right now is my card page. It's free to use, and it's pretty much fully customizable. They do have a sort of premium package thing, but I did not, I was unable to afford that at the time that I created this, but this functions for what I need it to do. So this is basically a sort of quick link, similar to Linktree, and I use it just to really keep all my social media links and referral links all kind of in one spot, as well as my contact information down here. So at any point, I know a lot of you follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for that. This link is listed in the description. I'm sorry, not in the description, the bio on my Instagram page. So you can always click that and scroll through all my social media. I can't talk today, guys. I'm so sorry. So yeah, that's what that little link does under my profile, and everything's fully functional. Goes right back to my little channel here. I do have IGTV, I wanted to let you guys know, and basically I post little segmented parts of my updates, obviously not the full ones because Instagram has its limits. There is one in the process of uploading right now, so I'm just waiting for that to sort of come up, but it's sort of an abridged version of this video. So I'm gonna click off of that. And I also wanted to show you guys my coffee page. Now I know I talk about the coffee page a lot. The support, I need it a lot. I am doing many things, but it's just a cutesy platform that artists and creators use to kind of crowdfund and get donations for the products they produce. I know a lot of comic strip writers that are on here, and other arts as well, but I think maybe the crafting arts aren't as prolific on here, maybe. But yeah, so from time to time I write out these little posts, which I am in the process of writing right now. One of them, and I'm gonna put it up after this video. I kind of need this video to post that, but anyway. So I do have a goal set up here, and whether you decide to give support to the goal or whether you decide to just send me a coffee, yes, my coffees are $10. I say a can of coffee. I drink like Folgers Black Silk, and that stuff is $9.99 a can, so that makes sense. But also just because of the level of things that I am doing, I am printing my own business cards and flyers and advertisements, and I am also subscribed to quite a few different things like the Adobe Cloud and many other services that make it possible for me to go through these videos with. So I could really use the help, guys. not only that, oh, well, I guess I can explain too how it kind of works. So I'm going to go back to this other tab so I can view it as a not me. And so we're going incognito. So what this is, basically it is a platform that is in conjunction with PayPal, and basically you're directly paying the artist that you're contributing to. You can choose to follow them and support them. I am a Coffee Gold member, so that means I get to do cute stuff like customize my link and change the colors on my page, and actually also make a different URL, because as you can see, the one up here is quite different from this one. But yeah, this one's cool. And it also prompts you to make your own page. I do have a referral page, or link rather, to Coffee Gold on my card page, but I just wanted to show you guys that. Also, this video will be changing soon because this is sort of an outdated update. But as you can see, I am quite active on here and posted very often. My crochet stuff, my stuff from the merch shop that I try to advertise. It's not very much. I'm working on a design right now, so that's something new to look forward to. And other little cool stuff. But yeah, so definitely keep up with these posts on the side here. They're like blogs, and they will give you the in-depth kind of thing that some of my videos address, or just a quick little snippet like this one. I posted an update the other day regarding my year-end to-do list, and here's a list of my videos that will be happening from now, or from the 28th on up to November like 23rd. I'm sorry, December 23rd. I am a month behind and a month ahead at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna close that, and let me see. Speaking of websites, so you can think of my card page as both a virtual business card and a sort of temporary website. But as far as websites go, I wanted to show you guys my website. Yes. So this is in preview mode right now. It is still a work in progress, but I have been working on it since the beginning of the year, and I think it has come along quite well aesthetically. The first version was a hot mess, but with this one, the logo links back to the home page. And this is my home page. Now, if any of you guys noticed, this is the collar part of the is that the Joseph sweater that I wore on my birthday. It is listed on my Instagram. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. And forgive any background noise that you hear. I've said in previous videos that I do have a loud family, so they are awake now and alive at this time of night, or day rather, night, evening. So scrolling down, I have a little segment on who I guess we are, but I'm going to kind of change the wording because right now it is just me, and I am the only one that is crafting, and I'm the sole proprietor of this startup. So in doing that, I'm going to scroll back up here, and we are going to hover over the More tab. Now you can see over here, before we go there, I do have social media posted up on the website. I am going to add Facebook after this video, after this recording. Hovering over the More, I have the shop page, which it will slowly load to. And on the shop page, it does list both my free and paid patterns, along with some of the stuff that has been made and is listed right now. Of course, I need to kind of update this because there are other things that are going up, like the actual fishnet shawl, which is funny. I just found it again after I'd packed it away. I had no idea where I packed it away, but it's back now. But yeah, free and paid patterns. So the difference between my free ones and my paid ones is the fact that there's a tutorial a private video tutorial on how to work the paid patterns that is included in the PDF. Um, and it's unlisted on the channel, so you would not be able to find that at all. So a little extra encouragement to support the page. Again, you don't have to. That's why I incorporate the free patterns in as well. And going to that page, I am going to edit some of this stock, but for now, I'm going to hit this create now button, craft for less, because I believe that like crocheting and crafts and things like that should be a stress-free kind of thing. So if you wanted to support a place, I mean, you could, but some stuff obviously needs to be exclusive. So right now I have these 4 patterns up here, and I'm thinking about in a later video doing a make along for the ducky one. If you've been on my Instagram for a while, you'll know that I made a large one for my brother, but it is now with only one wing, so that wouldn't be good to rephotograph. And coming back up here, the last part of the website that I'm going to show off today is the blog. And much like the posts over on the coffee page, I keep a running blog. Obviously, I started this over on October the 10th, so these first few are gonna look like, oh, she was spamming. Yeah, no. But I do occasionally come on here and write these little posts, and they're full of witty little quips, and mostly, by and large, it's just advice and information about the website and things I want you guys to know. But always, I'm looking for you all's feedback. Now, this get in touch button right now, if you were to click it, which I'm not going to click it right now, it would open up Outlook, which I do have down in the invisible black bar. But I don't want it to make me lag, so I'm not going to click that. I also have this chat thing, but I may yet again remove this or just at least adjust the time frame in which people can use this, because it's just me and I can only reply in so many different time sets. So yep, that's about it, I think, for this segment. So I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in today and hanging out, and I look forward to crafting with you guys again this Sunday. What is it? Sunday the 2nd, and then I am trying to finish up this rug that I am going to be renaming, and I'm going to try to have that first part of the make along up by next Wednesday to kind of keep in tune with this itinerary. So until next time, crafties, happy making.